Okay, so let's take a look at this one-bedroom studio over here at Margaritaville Resort. And this is a condo hotel. So what that means is that you purchase this and you could use it for taking vacations, but the rest of the time it sits in the rental program earning income. And these things are really popular with investors or people that just want to make some money from their vacation property. Now here's the bedroom. Got a nice large shower. Over here's a closet. Here's a small closet for you. And this is an outside section that you would have to sit. You can see over here is here's your windows, so you'll be able to see outside that way. Now, if you have any questions, as always, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Also, check out my website, wintergardenew.com. And as always, if you are interested in a home, please do contact me first before you contact any home builders. When you contact a home builder and give your name, your email, show your face, anything like that, it typically voids your free realtor representation. Having free realtor representation is super important, because I do work for you and represent you in the process. And again, it is totally free. The builder pays it. And right there's your microwave. Okay, so this is another point of view shot. The camera is right at the front door, just about 2 feet forward from the front door. And I just want you to see how large it is with me in. Now again, you can move this island. It's on wheels, so if you needed to move it around to cook or whatever, you can. Here's your TV. And this is your rear to go outside to sit. And this is your bedroom. Now this also is going to come in a 2-bedroom version as well, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so right now I'm standing inside of the bedroom. As you can see, there is some room over here because there's a table, so you have like so much room. And go up into the bathroom, inside the bathroom. Got some room on the other side of the bed too. Okay, so here's another viewpoint. Now I have the camera on top of one of the countertops in the kitchen. Again, just for another idea of how large this is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an isometric view from the kitchen of the 1-bedroom condo. That way you can see it a little bit better. Give you a viewpoint, kind of like those floor plans that are isometric. There you can see your bed. Now you can probably see the space around this side a little bit better. Now this 1-bedroom is going to have a view, at least from what this shows over here, it's going to have a view to the outside. Okay, so here's your shower again on a bit of an isometric.